Most people over 40 are taking black seed oil completely wrong. They're swallowing it straight, thinking they're getting all the benefits, but they're actually missing 80% of what this powerful oil can do for their aging bodies. Your digestive system after 40 doesn't absorb nutrients like it used to. The active compound in black seed oil, thymoquinone, is fat-soluble and notoriously difficult for your body to use effectively. But there's an ancient combination that changes everything. When you mix black seed oil with raw honey, something remarkable happens at the cellular level. The honey doesn't just make it taste better, it acts as a delivery system that increases absorption by up to 300%. This isn't just another health trend. This combination triggers 4 irreversible changes in your body that can literally turn back the clock on aging and supercharge your immune system in ways that become permanent once they start. Your body treats honey as more than just a sweetener. Raw honey contains natural enzymes and compounds that act like molecular escorts, helping the thymoquinone in black seed oil cross into your bloodstream more effectively. Think of honey as opening doors that would normally stay locked to these powerful healing compounds. Honey's natural sugars create what scientists call a carrier matrix. This matrix protects the delicate compounds in black seed oil from being destroyed by stomach acid while simultaneously increasing their bioavailability. Studies show that when thymoquinone is consumed with honey, blood levels of the compound increase 3-fold compared to taking black seed oil alone. But the real magic happens at your cellular level. After age 40, your immune system starts what researchers call immunosenescence. Basically, your immune cells get tired and stop working as efficiently. Your T cells, which are your body's elite infection fighters, begin producing fewer cytokines and lose their ability to recognize threats quickly. This combination reverses that process. The enhanced absorption means more thymoquinone reaches your immune organs, your spleen, lymph nodes, and bone marrow. Chronic inflammation after 40 is like having a small fire burning inside your body constantly. It accelerates aging, weakens immunity, and damages your organs slowly over time. Thymoquinone is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, but only when your body can actually use it. When properly absorbed through this honey combination, thymoquinone targets specific inflammatory pathways called NF, kappa B, and TOX2. These are the master switches for inflammation in your body. By blocking these pathways, you're not just reducing current inflammation, you're preventing the cascade of cellular damage that leads to premature aging. But here's where most people get it completely wrong. There's a dangerous myth circulating that you can get these same benefits by taking black seed oil pills or capsules. This is not only false, it's potentially harmful. Those processed capsules contain virtually no bioavailable thymoquinone. The oil has been heated, filtered, and stripped of the cofactors that make absorption possible. You're basically taking expensive placebos. Even worse, some people think they can substitute processed honey or artificial sweeteners. This completely destroys the carrier effect we just discussed. Your body treats artificial sweeteners as toxins, not delivery systems. Are you making any of these mistakes right now? Let me know in the comments, because what I'm about to share next could save you months of wasted effort. The first change you'll notice is what I call an immune system reset. Within the first 30 days, your T cell production increases dramatically. These are your body's special forces, the cells that remember every virus, bacteria, and threat you've ever encountered. After 40, T cell production naturally declines by about 2% per year. This combination doesn't just slow that decline, it permanently reverses it. The combination crosses the blood-brain barrier more effectively than either compound alone. This means better cognitive protection, improved memory, and reduced brain fog that many people experience after 40. Your brain cells start producing more antioxidants naturally. This creates a protective shield against age-related decline. Most importantly, this enhanced absorption triggers what scientists call hormetic stress. This is a beneficial stress that makes your cells stronger. Your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, start producing energy more efficiently. This isn't temporary. Once your cellular machinery upgrades, these improvements become your new baseline. The first change you'll notice is what I call an immune system reset. Within the first 30 days, your T cell production increases dramatically. These are your body's special forces, the cells that remember every virus, bacteria, and threat you've ever encountered. After 40, T-cell production naturally declines by about 2% per year. This combination reverses that decline. You'll start noticing you don't catch every cold that goes around your office. Minor infections that used to knock you out for days clear up in 24 to 48 hours. Your body starts responding to threats the way it did in your 20s. This isn't just feeling better. Blood tests show actual increases in CD4 and CD8 T-cell counts. These are the gold standard markers of immune function, but we can't talk about immunity without addressing cellular repair. This is the second permanent shift that compounds over time. Your cells have built-in repair mechanisms, but after 40, these slow down significantly. Damaged proteins accumulate, mitochondria become less efficient, and cellular waste builds up faster than it can be cleared. The enhanced thymoquinone absorption permanently accelerates cellular autophagy, your body's natural cleanup process. Think of it as upgrading from a small garbage truck to an industrial waste management system. Once upgraded, there's no going back. Damaged cells regenerate 4% faster. Your body becomes irreversibly more efficient at replacing old, worn-out cells with healthy new ones. You'll notice this first in your skin, which starts looking more vibrant. Then in your energy levels as your muscle cells renew themselves more efficiently. Now here's where things get really interesting. Chronic inflammation. This third transformation is crucial because inflammation after 40 becomes self-perpetuating. Your immune system starts attacking healthy tissue. This creates what doctors call inflammaging. It's chronic low-grade inflammation that accelerates every aspect of aging. Within 60 days of consistent use, inflammatory markers drop significantly, joint stiffness decreases, brain fog lifts, and that constant underlying fatigue starts disappearing forever. Have you been accepting brain fog as just part of getting older? Your cardiovascular system benefits tremendously. Blood pressure often normalizes. Circulation improves as blood vessel inflammation decreases irreversibly. Finally, the most dramatic transformation occurs at your mitochondrial level. After 40, mitochondria become less efficient at producing ATP. ATP is the energy currency your cells use. This is why you feel more tired and recover slower from exercise. This combination triggers mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new, more efficient mitochondria. These become permanent additions to your cellular machinery. Your cells literally grow more power plants, and once they're built, they don't disappear. Energy production improves irreversibly at the most fundamental level. People report waking up refreshed, having sustained energy throughout the day. They also recover from physical activity faster than they have in years. These energy improvements establish a new permanent baseline that only gets better with time. The ratio matters more than most people realize. The optimal combination is 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed black seed oil mixed with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. This 1:3 ratio provides the perfect carrier matrix without overwhelming your system with too much sugar. Not all honey works equally well. You want raw, unprocessed honey that contains its natural enzymes. Manuka honey is excellent but not necessary. Local raw honey often works just as effectively. Avoid processed honey from the grocery store. The heating process destroys the enzymes that make this work. Timing is critical for maximum absorption. Take this combination first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before eating. Your stomach acid is at optimal levels, and there's no food competing for absorption. Some people prefer taking a second dose in the evening, but morning is non-negotiable for the best results. Here are 3 other powerful combinations that amplify these effects. First, add a pinch of black pepper to increase absorption even further. The piperine in black pepper can boost bioavailability by an additional 1/3%. Second, mix in half a teaspoon of turmeric for enhanced anti-inflammatory effects. The curcumin and thymoquinone work synergistically to target different inflammatory pathways. Third, add a few drops of vitamin D3 oil. The fat-soluble vitamins enhance each other's absorption. The biggest mistake people make is taking this combination with food or coffee. Food dilutes the carrier effect of honey and reduces absorption by up to 60%. Coffee is particularly problematic because the caffeine can interfere with the anti-inflammatory pathways you're trying to activate. Storage is crucial for maintaining potency. Keep your black seed oil refrigerated and use it within 6 months of opening. Honey should be stored at room temperature in a dark place. Never heat this combination. Heat destroys the delicate compounds that make it effective. Start with the basic combination for the first 2 weeks. Then add the amplifying ingredients gradually. Your body needs time to adjust to the increased bioavailability. Some people experience mild detox symptoms initially as their cellular cleanup processes accelerate. This is normal and typically resolves within a few days. Mix fresh each time rather than preparing large batches. The active compounds are most potent when freshly combined. Stir thoroughly to ensure even distribution and consume immediately for maximum effectiveness. Start this simple routine tomorrow morning. Mix 1 teaspoon of black seed oil with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Take it on an empty stomach, then wait 30 minutes before eating. Track your energy levels, sleep quality, and how often you get sick over the next 30 days. The first sign it's working? You'll wake up more refreshed within 7 days. Your body is already beginning those irreversible changes that will transform how you age. Please check out our next video above. See you shortly in the next video.